Short recipe for today, and it's going to be something with peas and bacon mixed together. So here's how I made it. First of all, take 200 grams of bacon and dice it into squares. And then you wanna fry it on high heat till it becomes like this, kinda brownish. And then set the bacon aside in some other dish or a pan, whatever you want. But keep the pan like that for the aroma of the bacon. Then you wanna add some more oil and add one finely diced onion and fry it till it's golden brown like this inside the same pan. Add 1 tablespoon of flour and also mix up the onion with the flour as well, just for a little bit, because we're gonna add 1/2 of a kilogram of peas, either fresh or frozen, doesn't matter. Add 1 tablespoon of mixed vegetable seasoning, grind in some salt and pepper, not too much but not too little, and fry for a bit, and then add the fried bacon inside, and then make sure it's fried for a bit together. Also, I forgot to mention, you should also do this on medium to high heat until it looks something like this after a while. Then you want to add some red pepper, 1 tablespoon of course, either cayenne or normal red pepper, doesn't matter. And then you want to stir it around just for a little bit until the red pepper kinda blends in with the rest of the ingredients. And then you want to transfer it into a pot and add a bit of water. How much? Well, one cup, just one normal drinking teacup, or you can use how much you want depending on how much you're planning to make, but 1 cup should be enough. And leave it to boil until it becomes thick enough on medium heat like this. Then you can just eat it standalone, which is nice, or you can serve it with some kind of meat, either pork chops or chicken breasts, doesn't matter. You can serve it either way, and it's gonna go nicely with whatever you're serving or whatever you're eating, either standalone or with some meat. Enjoy.